Hi guys, we're back with another video. Today's video is brought to you by Ubla Hua Anda. As you can see, I have not put any makeup on my face because today we are trying some new cool makeup hacks. To be very honest, I'm just bored with doing same old makeup with same old makeup techniques, and if you are someone who has clicked on this video, I'm considering we are in the same boat. ओके गाइज आई लाइड अ लिटिल बिट, थोड़ा सा मैंने बेस किया ताकि जो हम हैक्स करने वाले वो थोड़े से अच्छे लगे, बॉइल्ड पोटैटो का थोड़ा सा फ्रेंच फ्राइज बने। तो शुरू करते हैं। ओके आई नीड अ स्पून फॉर दिस। फाइन। मेरे से इतना अच्छा ब्लेंड नहीं होने वाला। ओ कट क्रीज इफेक्ट। एंड उसने फाउंडेशन या कंसीलर भी नहीं लगाया लिड पे। यूजुअली ऐसे कट क्रीज करने में यू हैव टू डू सो मेनी लेयर्स ऑफ मेकअप, कंसीलर, फाउंडेशन, फिर उसको इवन करने के लिए और तरीके के आई शेडोज। सी मुझे नहीं आता मेकअप करना, मुझे वर्ड्स भी नहीं मालूम, आई एम जस्ट कम्प्लीटली लॉस्ट। स्पून लेकर आते हैं। ठीक है गाइस, मुझे स्पून मिल गई है, ये ही मुझे अपने साइज़ की मिली है, होपफुली हो जाए। एंड देन आई हैव माई दी oldest eyeshadow palette, Miss Claire one. I'm going to link a more affordable option, and इससे थोड़ा छोटा because you literally cannot carry it anywhere, right? So I'm gonna take any dark brown shade. Okay, fine. And do this. Okay, fine. इतना ठंडा लग रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है, मैं सो जाऊंगी। Okay, fine. Concentrate, Sonia. And I just have to do this simply. यहाँ मैंने अच्छे से ब्लेंड नहीं किया। Too many harsh lines. No. यहाँ मैं भूत ना लगूँ इसके बाद। See, that's the difference. If you're someone who know how to do their eye makeup, this should be easier for you. But for people like me, it's going to be like all fun and games, and I'm just trying. If it works the best, I'm gonna do it for the rest of my life. Like there's no going back. But for right now, I guess this is fine. I'm gonna blend it even more. बहुत ज़्यादा है ये, but ठीक है। उसके बाद I'm gonna take this flat brush and थोड़ा सा I'm gonna give it a direction, जो कि नहीं हो रहा है, just like my life, but anyway, ताकि वो थोड़ा से winged लगे। I guess that's it. एक सेकेंड, पहले मुझे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है। I need a minute. मैं अब अपने होश में आई हूँ, and this is looking so funny. It feels like annual function में स्कूल टाइम पे टीचर्स मेकअप नहीं करते थे, वैसा लग रहा है ये सेम। Like no professionalism, nothing is involved here. I don't know. I guess you have to do so many things later on. I guess you have to blend it later and do other sort of eye makeup to make it look even. But no, I'm not going to do it kabhi bhi in future. No, नहीं. But let's give it one more try because मैं इसको ऐसे नहीं छोड़ सकती. So I have my spoon again and the same thing. अभी मैंने कम लिया है आई शेडो। यहाँ पे तो आई वेंट क्रेजी, आई वॉज वे टू एक्साइटेड, बट यहाँ पे आई वॉज लाइक सोनिया बिहेव। सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट विल लुक। मुझे फिर से कुछ नहीं दिख रहा, बट वो अब इतना ज़्यादा कम ले लिया कि वो बिल्कुल नहीं दिख रहा। नो, कैन यू सी दिस सॉफ्ट लाइन? इट लुक्स प्रिटी। आई गेस यू नीड पेशेंस with it. Like for first time, try it on your best friend, maybe not on yourself, and then you can do it on your own, and it will look very pretty. Okay guys, अपना मजाक बनवाते हुए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move on. Another video. Okay. Oh, eyeliner hack. This looks easy. Let's see. I'm not liking that I have to do so much of art and craft here because I was very bad at it in school. So let's see how it will turn out. Okay guys, so you need three things. Any dark black eyeshadow color or any kajal pencil would also work, a Q-tip and a micellar water or a makeup remover. So first I'm gonna take ample amount of this black eyeshadow and I'm just gonna apply it here. वो नीचे भी लग गया, but ठीक है, no issues. ठीक है. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of my micellar water on Q-tip, both the sides. ठीक है. Let's see. Let's clean it from here. Take your time. Trust the process. Loving it, loving it. थोड़ा सा वो हो गया है. Let's clean it. Yep. Okay. And I'm not taking the same side. I'm changing the side so that it won't spread. वरना वो बहुत weird हो जाएगा clean करने में. It looks so nice. It does look like an eyeliner. थोड़ा सा thick cat eye effect it is giving me. But I'm loving it. It looks so nice. If you're someone who does not know how to do their eyeliners, this trick is very helpful. Of course, initially you have to be patient with it and keep on practicing. But amazing and time saver as well. I'm saying it. This was like a weirdly shaped cat eye from the end. So I'm just gonna spread it because it's just an eyeshadow. So it's easily spreadable. Just give it a wink and just spread it accordingly and make it cleaner. You're done. Wow. Loving it. It's so easy to do. Oh my god. Wow. And you're done. क्यों नहीं ट्राई की मैंने पहले ये ट्रिक? Okay guys, next hack. This is something I keep looking at on the internet and I'm always curious how to do it, how it will turn out. Looks so fascinating. Such a cute nose by the end of it. Okay, so I'm already prepared. I'm gonna use this fork right over here and I have my concealer also. Okay, let's place it here. Hi, potato head. Okay, so in the center I'm gonna apply concealer, बहुत ही थोड़ा, ज़्यादा नहीं, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of like lightest brown eyeshadow color. I don't have a contouring palette because I don't do it. Also, I look so funny talking like this right now, but anyway, let's ignore it and get back to work. And here, just a little bit of brown eyeshadow. That's it, I guess. I don't know if you can see the brown eyeshadow because it's way too light because I don't want a lot. Kylie Jenner की तरह नहीं. And then I'm just gonna blend it. Okay, how? I hope it looks nice. मुझे ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है कि ये टेढ़ी लग रही है? Is my nose straight or not? I don't know. Anyway. This is fine, and then I'm just gonna lightly blend the brown eyeshadow, बहुत ही gently. She also put some of it here towards your eyebrow and little bit here to make it look thin. It actually looks nice. बहुत ही ऐसे shape वाली नहीं लग रही है अब. या फिर कुछ नहीं लग रहा है. You guys can only let me know if there's any difference or not. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it looks very chiseled and लग रहा है कि हाँ कुछ shape आई है. Not too much contouring is there and it is very appropriate if you're someone who do not like to do a lot of makeup, but still to give it some shape and some effect. It's nice. I like it. Like no one can tell I just gave myself a nose job. Also guys, don't bother your moms. Clean your utensils by your own self. ठीक है? Next is get the model's glow. मुझे चाहिए model वाला glow. Let's see. Okay. That girl on the left, she looks so confused. But anyway, let's trust the process. Ooh. Glowy का नहीं मालूम, but brightened up जरूर लग रहा था. So let's try it. Okay, I already have my concealer right over here. Okay, so I just have to draw a line from here and then till you कुछ वो मैं म्यूजिक एल्बम का कवर लग रही हूँ. Now let's just blend it. Yay! Favorite part. अगर मुझे इससे मॉडल ग्लो नहीं मिला, मैं वैनिश हो जाऊंगी इंटरनेट से. Like then I'll be like, I don't want to do it anymore. क्या वो लग रहा है कुछ? क्या कुछ लग रहा है? मेरा अपर लिप चला ही गया है. It's all gone. No. It does look brightened up. Let's be honest. And जो मेरी puffy आई थी, जो मैं सोई हुई लग रही थी अभी इससे पहले, वो नहीं लग रहा है. It actually does look nice and it feels like I'm getting ready for a date, but I'm just having fun of my own by using these weird items and hacks. It's always good to add a little spice in your life, right? Moving on, how to get the longest lashes possible. Okay. Isn't it dangerous? Isn't it a dangerous way to get long lashes? I mean, putting blow dryer on your face, it's dangerous. I would suggest not to do it. मैं भी नहीं करने वाली. Let's find a mild one. थोड़ा gentle way में देखते हैं कुछ हो पाए तो. Otherwise, I'm gonna live with these eyelashes. I'm fine with that. Okay, I found this one. She has Vaseline. Okay. Looks better. Ooh, nice. Okay, I have already done my eyeliner, so we're good to go with the eyelashes. Okay, so I have my Vaseline. And let's do it on one side, so we'll see the difference. Very gently, तुम्हारी eyes में ना चला जाए. Is it fine? It feels sticky. Yeah, it does feel sticky. Anyway, I guess this is fine. Already थोड़ा सा lift आ गया है. Anyway, let's do some mascara. I have literally no idea what's gonna happen, and that's the always fun part, right? मुझे लग नहीं रहा कि कुछ हो रहा है. I guess it did work. My eyelashes, as you can see clearly, are looking longer, and I guess the Vaseline has helped my eyelashes to put them up. I mean, they're at a very nice place. बहुत ही अच्छे से hold किया हुआ है, and my eyelashes are looking very separate. बहुत ही clogged up नहीं है, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा problem आती है whenever you apply mascara. So yeah, good job. Also, this eye is feeling a little bit heavy when you apply fake eyelashes. So yeah. My paisa is vasool now. Okay guys, next hack. Okay, tweezers. Oh. I guess this is not workable on me because I already have thick eyebrows, which a lot of people say are fake. नहीं है fake, ऐसी ही है वो. Anyway, I guess I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil maybe, and that's it. I'm good to go. Now we've done the whole makeup. Let's fill in the lips also. Let's see. Red ombre lips. Why? It looks so nice afterwards, but do we really have to do that mascara part inside the lips? I mean, how will you eat? Let's figure it out. Okay, so I already have my mascara right over here. I am not having good feelings about it already, but let's do it. Okay, सब सही हो जाएगा सोनिया, कोई बात नहीं. I am not feeling nice. This is so bad. A nice Halloween look maybe. Then I have the red color. I wanted to do something with the nude color, but let's see. I want to achieve the exact same thing. Looks nice actually. Not bad. I was having very weird feelings about it. थोड़ा सा वो spread out हो गया है, but anyway overall it's looking very nice. And already मुझे थोड़ा glossy effect आ रहा है lipstick से, so I'm not gonna maybe apply any lip gloss इसके ऊपर because already too much is happening on my lips. So let's avoid that. And I guess जो वो part था black mascara लगाने का, it's like, you know, a nice shadow it's giving inside your lips because usually lips बहुत flat लगते हैं, contoured नहीं लगते. So just to give it a little bit of shadow and that effect, it's looking nice. So guys, that was it for today's video. इस वीडियो को बनाने का basically कोई भी point नहीं था. I just wanted to have fun, and anyway I enjoy making these kind of videos so much, and you guys love watching it at the same time, so that's good. And also thank you so much for 180k. I literally have lost count of each and every number. I am in no position of keeping track every single day, so I'm already thanking you all for 200k in advance. So let's celebrate this Diwali early. And yeah, that was it for today's video. How was it? Let me know. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Also मैं ready हूँ तो मैं जा रही हूँ date पे. Bye.